Schüco is a leading provider of high-quality window, door and facade systems. With 12,000 partner companies, Schüco operates in more than 80 countries. Over 60,000 tons of plastic profiles for window and door systems are manufactured in Weissenfels every year. To meet the various color requirements of the architects and clients, more than 16 million meters of the profiles are fitted with a unique foils coating. High-pressure air humidification installed selectively near the coater ensures that the adhesive optimally binds the foils and plastic profiles. This protects the profiles during processing against creasing and prevents the foils from detaching after the units have been delivered to the customer. Schüco has been using a reactive polyurethane adhesive for the profile coating for many years. Air humidification is an important requirement to optimally cross-link the adhesive with the lamination foil and the profile. We use Drabe air humidification to ensure quality. This allows us to produce a product that meets the high requirements of Schüco.